In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Power BI Desktop. Power BI is an incredibly powerful tool from Microsoft, designed to help you create interactive data visualizations and share insights across your organization. Whether you're looking to analyze your business data, generate reports, or simply explore its capabilities, having Power BI on desktop installed on your computer is the first step. Let's dive right into the process, which is remarkably straightforward and should only take a few moments of your time. First, you'll want to locate and open the Microsoft Store app on your desktop. If you're not familiar with where it is, you can easily find it by typing Microsoft Store into the search bar on your taskbar. It should pop right up. The store icon looks like a little shopping bag with the Microsoft logo on it, friendly and hard to miss. Open it up, and once you do, you'll be greeted by the home page of the Microsoft Store. Now, what you need to do next is to find Power BI. Simply locate the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store window. Click on it and type in Power BI. This should pull up several results, but don't worry. Our task is to focus on the right application. It's crucial here to ensure that you click on the app that is officially from Microsoft Corporation. This ensures that you are downloading the legitimate version of the software, safe and secure for your use. Once you've identified the correct app, the next step is to initiate the download and installation process. You should see a button that says Get. Go ahead and click on it. Hitting Get will start the automatic download and installation procedure. Typically, this doesn't take too long depending on your internet speed. The Microsoft Store handles all of this seamlessly for you, so you won't need to adjust settings or click through any additional prompts. At this point, you can sit back and let the store handle everything. It will inform you when the installation is complete. Once the installation wraps up, you'll have Power BI Desktop ready to use on your computer, and you can begin the exciting journey of creating stunning reports and dashboards. Now, wasn't that a breeze? And that's all there is to it. You've successfully installed Power BI Desktop without a hitch. You can now launch it from your Start menu or desktop shortcut depending on your preferences. Moving forward, you'll be able to delve into your data and discover insights quickly and efficiently. Whether you're an analyst, a data enthusiast, or someone just starting with data visualization, Power BI is an invaluable tool, and having it at your fingertips opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy data exploring.